Hello, welcome back to Holistic Healing Savory Meals. Today's recipe is a fruit salad that you can turn into breakfast, lunch, dinner, or just a snack. There is a variety of different fruits and Greek yogurt and granola on how you can create this meal prep for the kiddos, for yourself, or just for fun. Ingredients are fresh fruit, lemon, and honey, and Greek yogurt with granola. And trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thank you for viewing my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this awareness channel for diabetes and dialysis patients. Enjoy your day. See you guys in the next video. Bye.